Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. We got another awesome vlog, episode 3. We're going to be shooting some content today. So we're going to be meeting up with a buddy of mine, Rookie, aka Daily Rips, who is a stunt rider extraordinaire, and we're going to film some stuff, and we're going to take you through all the behind the scenes content. We're going to have some fun today, so let's do it. Before we can go anywhere, we need to get some gas. Is that a policeman? When making uphill turns, make sure you keep your speed, or else you'll stall on the hill and then fall over, and nobody wants that. Hello? Thank you. Put that premium. Does it make a difference? Yes. Don't let anybody else tell you differently. You know, for 11:50 on a Monday, there's a lot of traffic. Over here, look at all these cars. The whole line of cars is all backed up for what? For that guy turning. All right, let's get on the highway and get down here. People be out here hitting their brakes for no reason. Literally none. This makes it really hard to get to the front door. Oh, hey! What's up? Hey! What up, yo?
Oh, dude.
See, I was like, oh, well, it warmed up out here. I don't need my baklava. Now I'm gonna be cold. Here's a popo. I did. Yep. Weird thing. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it. Did you see the back of it? Oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna fall in. Wait, I thought you said this was a spot. Man said I know a spot and then took me to a homeless dump. This man's on a dirt bike over here. I didn't know the FZ could get down like that. All right, we're gonna go find a spot to take some pictures. Carnival cruise, paradise. You can tell that it's a carnival because of the big red wing on the back that looks like a whale tail. It's gonna be toasty right there. Look at that. Up in the background. All right, folks, Rookie Rebel, aka Daily Rips. Hey, just for the people, right? So last week we did an editing contest, an A versus B, okay? And you vehemently said that if I did that, if I posted your edits versus mine on the same photos, you guaranteed that the people would like yours more. And unfortunately, on every platform, not only did they vote heavily in my favor, it was a landslide. It was a decided victory in the likes of which this country has never seen. Anyways, what do you have to say for yourself, and when is the public apology coming? The people want to know.
One, I'm disappointed in your followers.
Wow.
Wrong, and I will never apologize.
So what you're hearing right here from this man is he can stunt a motorcycle. He can wheelie anything. That I will give him. What he cannot do is admit when he's wrong. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Whale fin. Whale fin. What up? Woo! Alright, we got lots of content and I am starving.
Charging my battery.
Hey, did you see the CBR in my garage?
How you doing, sir? They say you were putting some trees in your pocket. Look at him over there. y'all already knew, huh?
Yeah, he tried to pull that at the checkout. You're a jerk. Why did you say that? Why did you say that?
Say what?
That it was closed.
Will you do a full sweep while you're here?
Yeah, might.
Since I've been talking about?
Yeah.
He said don't do it.
What was that?
He said don't do it.
Don't do what?
No.
No, I think you should go. I think you should get a modular and then go buy a Harley.
See?
Let's go. That's gonna do it for the behind the scenes vlog of our full day of shooting content. And it's getting chilly. We stopped at Cycle Gear, got tons of content put together, and you know, we had a good day. It was a lot of fun. We had some wheelies, had some photos, some video, and some really awesome stuff that I think you guys are going to enjoy. But hope you enjoyed this episode, the third episode of MotoJack's MotoVlogs. And as usual, I hope you guys have a safe week, and I'll see you next time.